Today we'll try something very cool. We will pilot this AR drone 2.0 over 4G with a 4G terminal over a very long distance. We will try 1 kilometer. This demonstration is using real equipment. You can see behind me the base station. You can see the antenna. And you have here an LTE core network in a box, which is something that is designed by our Bell Labs engineers. 4G LTE offers very high throughput, uplink and downlink, and very good latency. Thanks to the high throughput, we will be able to get from the drone HD videos. And thanks to the latency, we will be able to pilot the drone even if we don't see it. So this allows us to go to very long distance.
Here we have a standard Wi-Fi AR drone 2.0, and here we have a 4G connected AR drone 2.0. In front of us we have a 1 kilometer field, so let's see how far they go. Good luck, guys. We're very happy with this first 4G demonstration. Today, we've extended the piloting range of the AR drone while keeping the HD video stream live and the low latency controlling. 4G means more connectivity between the AR drone and the smartphone and many potential applications. Stay tuned for more experiences to come, and thanks to the team for the great job.
So beyond the cool demo, are there really concrete applications? We think there are many. We have here a flying HD camera. So the question is, who could be interested by flying HD cameras over a long distance? I think public safety could be interested. I think journalists could be interested. I think farmers could be interested. And there are a lot. So how do we anticipate all the applications? We use the acceleration platform of our Bell Labs, the AXP, to come with partners to design and prototype those applications.